Sa video na to is nandito tayo kay Striga Bikes Tandang Sora upang ipakita sa inyo ang isang model ng e-bike kasi Talaria XXX MX. Yan. Tandang Sora Striga is marami pong mga bike dyan. Marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian ng mga bike dyan kay Striga Bikes Tandang Sora. Ayan yung bike shop nila mga idol, mga frame, marami rin sila. Marami kayong pagpipilian dyan, tsaka meron silang home credit dyan. Ang speed ni Talaria XXX is 50 kph for road use. Tapos sa range naman is 100 to 150 km at 25-30 kph per hour. Dumako naman tayo sa kanyang specs. Powertrain niya is motor controller. Motor type niya is air cooled. Tapos magnet synchronous motor. Controller type niya is FOC. Nominal voltage niya is 60 volts. Nominal power niya is 2,500 watts. Peak power niya is 5,500 watts. Peak torque niya is 34 Nm. Tapos torque on rear wheel is 233 Nm. 48T sprocket. Peak pin 0.92. At dumako naman tayo sa kanyang transmission. Gear ratio niya is 6.85. 48 teeth sprocket. First transmission niya mode gearbox. Second transmission mode niya is chain. Dumako naman tayo sa kanyang electronic components. Battery pack niya is 60 volts, 40 ampere. LG 21,700 cell. Tapos LED multi-function display, region adjust method, 4 level adjustment. Sa kanya namang bike frame is classes material lang ginamit na T6 aluminum 6061 T4. Tapos forged by 6,000 tons pressure, headlight LED, front fork sting customized, high performance hydraulic fork, rear absorber professional off-road, performance absorber. Brand ng kanyang tires is CST, front 70 by 100 and 19. Tapos sa rear naman is 80 by 100 by 19. Ang kanyang pinaka top speed is 75 km per hour. Max range niya ay 60 km at 40 km 25 ampere, 80 km 40 km 40 ampere. Ang bigat niya is 52 kg. Bicycle dimension niya is 1,880 mm by 770 mm by 1,088 mm. Seat height niya is at 810 mm. Wheelbase niya is 1,240 mm. Handlebar length is 760 mm. Main ground clearance niya is 260 mm. Max loading ability niya is 100 kg. Max grade is 45 degrees. So yan mga idol, yan si Talaria XXX. Yan, ang presyo pala niyan is 198,000. Available yan kay Striga Bikes Tandang Sora. Kung gusto nyo yung bike niyan, pasyalan nyo na lang sila.